just finished a CHROME case. It was C2F with Dr. Shapiro here on the right, oral surgeon, Dr. Deliberato, prosthodontist on the left. I think between you've done probably 26 cases. How did today's surgery go?
I think that it went very smooth. The CHROME guide fit very well, and we had no issues at all placing any of the implants.
And that was Straumann BLX, which we've done a lot of Straumann cases. Really nice with the timing. I think is one of the keys with Straumann. I agree, the timing was really good today.
Absolutely. I think the surgery time was less than 2 hours.
Yeah, and the timing of the implants, the MUAs were straight, which makes the restorative part much simpler.
And the ability to pre-plan these and not have any surprises, know exactly the anatomy of the bone and where the nerve is, really gives you a lot of confidence, makes the case go a lot smoother, and also knowing where the holes are going to be coming out, and especially with the C2F technology, we have a lot smaller hole, and therefore we have a lot stronger prosthesis. And that's very important because if something breaks during the healing time, it could compromise the healing of the implants. And it's also nice to know that you have that nice fresh acrylic from the C2F procedure instead of squirting the acrylic down inside of a bleeding saliva, type of hole. So all around is great. And lastly, the ability to do the bite adjustment outside of the mouth makes it more precise and allows the patient to rest a little bit and recuperate, before we put the prosthesis in. So.
Wow.
Absolutely agree.
That just checked all the boxes. Nice, very good, yeah. And it's very nice. The patient got to hang out about 40 minutes just after that first rapid pickup. So
Great patient.
all right, great day today. Thank you very much.